Good morning, dear students. As all of you know that in our subject Maths class 3rd, chapter 9 is going on. So, let's get into the topic. Jump with me, page number 127. Here is a very interesting activity that you have to do. But children, before starting this activity, first we try to understand multiplication on the number line. So, are you ready? Okay. Jump 2 steps each time. Here you can see a number line from 0 to 13 and some blanks are here that you have to fill. Okay. But children, you think, madam, this is very easy questions. We can do simply, we can do 1, 2, twos are 2, 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6. These all are table. Simply we can do. But children, you are right. But here we will fill the answer with the help of number line. Okay. We have to show here how to get answer. Okay. So suppose you are standing here. You are standing on 0 and you have to jump on this number line. But the condition is that you can jump only 2 steps. Okay. You will jump only 2 steps. So first question you can see here 1 into 2. That means jump 2 steps, but how many times? Only 1 times. That's why I have written jump 2 steps 1 time. So children, if you are standing here, so count 1 step and 2 steps. So where you reach? Here, and only you have to jump 1 time. So you reach here at 2. So we can write the answer 2 here. Now let's see the next question. Here is written 2 into 2. That means jump 2 steps, but how many times? 2 times. Jump 2 steps 2 times. So again you are here and first jump you will reach up to here, up to number 2. But here is written, here is only 1 time, but you have to jump 2 times. So again you count from here 1 and 2. So we will reach up to 4. So here I have written 2 times, 1 time and 2 times. So the answer is jump 2 step 2 times is 4. Right? So children, are you able to do yourself? Let's see. 3 into 2. That means jump 2 steps. How many times? Yes, 3 times. So again you are standing here. So first jump is here 0 to 2, that is 1 time. Then second jump 2 to 4, that is second time, and here is 3 times now. So we will jump one more time. Okay. So here after 4 is 1 and 2 steps. So we came up to 6, right? And this is 3 times. So we can write here 3 times. So what is the answer, children? Answer is 6. So jump 2 step 3 times is 6, right? Similarly, 5 into 2. That means jump 2 steps 5 times. So here only 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, then 4 times. After 6, where we reach? Up to 8. And this is 4 times, and 5 times. After 8, count again 1 and 2, and here we can say 5 times. So where you reach? You reach up to 10. So answer is 10. So here I have written 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Same way we will do that activity in our textbook. Children, see here, we have a snack. In this snack, we can see the number from 0 to 54. If you observe carefully, there is a frog. The name of this frog is Taru. Taru frog jumps 3 steps each time. Which number will Taru touch? So, children, condition is Taru can jump only 3 steps. Okay. So, how many number will Taru touch by jumping 3 steps? So, let's see first question. Here is 1 into 3. That means, can you tell me children? That means jump 3 steps but only one time. So Taru start to jump from 0 and if he jump only one time, so where he will reach? 1, 2, 3. He will reach up to 3. So what will be answer here? We will write 3. Let's see the second question, children. Here is written 2 into 3. That means jump 3 steps, but how many times? 2 times. So let's see. The frog jumps, Taru jumps one time already, but here is 2 times. So he jump one more time and he reach up to 6. So answer what we write, children? We write answer 6. That means 2 threes are 6, right? Similarly, you can do this question 3 into 3, 4 into 3, 5 into 3. That means jump 3 steps, but how many times? 5 times, right? Let's see one more question. We will do this question, okay? 10 multiply by 3. 10 into 3. So, what do you understand, children? Taru jumped 3 steps, but how many times? 10 times, right? So, let's see where he will reach. One time, again 3 steps he will jump, 2 time, then 3 time, and count after 9. 1, 2, 3. 4 time. Focus. Then again 1, 2, 3 steps. That is 5 time. 1, 2, 3. 6 times. Again count 1, 2, 3. That is 7 times. And again 1, 2, 3 step. That is 8 times. And 1, 2, 3. 9 times. Again 1, 2, 3. 10 times. Right. So children, here I have written 10 threes are 30. Okay. So this way you have to show in your textbook and you can find the answer with the help of this number snack. So I give you some time. After some time completing this blanks, you will show me. Okay.